In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the cost of licenses in Zoho CRM, providing a full guide for 2025. Zoho CRM offers a range of pricing options to fit various business needs, so let's dive in and explore how you can find the right plan for your team. First, you need to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. If you're already logged into your Zoho account, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in your organization's Zoho CRM URL or simply access it from your bookmarks if you've saved it for easy access. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Next, you'll want to pay attention to the highlighted areas of the interface. These highlights will guide you towards key functions and options. Carefully click on the highlighted section. This might take you to different features or options available in your Zoho CRM dashboard. It's essentially designed to give you quick access to what matters most. After clicking the highlight initially, you might find another area highlighted, indicating another important section denoted for upgrading or purchasing licenses. Continue by clicking on this next highlighted area. Zoho CRM's interface is quite intuitive, and these guided highlights are there to simplify the user experience, ensuring you get where you need to be without the hassle of exploring unnecessary menu items. Once you've clicked through the highlights, look for the option labeled Upgrade. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can explore the different pricing plans available for Zoho CRM. Here, Zoho typically provides various subscription tiers, each with a distinct set of features tailored to accommodate small businesses as well as larger enterprises. Spend some time reviewing the options. Consider what features are most critical for your business processes and workflows, and make sure to align those needs with the pricing structure that Zoho offers. If, after reviewing the plans, you wish to return to your CRM dashboard without making a purchase, simply locate the Back to CRM button. Clicking this will take you back to the Zoho CRM interface where you can continue managing your customer relations as usual. Understanding license costs and the available pricing options is crucial for managing your business operations efficiently. By carefully navigating through Zoho CRM's easy-to-use interface, exploring the highlighted guides, and reviewing their flexible pricing plans, you'll be well equipped to choose the option that best suits your needs. This concludes our guide on determining license costs in Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information both helpful and actionable for your business endeavors.